What's up, y'all? It's Jullien from the Multifamily Movement, aka your property brother, aka Mr. Multifamily. And I'm actually sitting outside this house that I'm about to see here in New Orleans that I found through a wholesaler last night. He sent me the pro formas, he sent me the comps, and I'm about to meet with the agent. The home is priced around $550,000. Looks like it's going to need about $170,000 worth of work. So that's 710 in, and the comps are around $1 million. So if this is done right, then I'll be able to give my investors a 26% return in 4 to 6 months, minus the capital gains of 10 to 15% on that, because you can't do a 1031 exchange on something that had the intention of selling or that you hadn't held for 2 years. So we're going to all take the capital gains hit, but that'll still be about a 22% return on this particular deal if it works out the way it's planned. So I'm actually going to go in here and look at the inside to see if it's actually $170,000 worth of work. I'm going to get information from the agent to see if there's any wiggle room on the sale price. We have the cash collectively to go ahead and make this deal happen. I just want to go in and see if it's right. I may actually need to bring my contractors back here this afternoon or tomorrow to see things that I can't see and give me quotes, but I'm pretty experienced in this game, and so I'll be able to see things and be able to cost them out by square foot and things of that nature. So I tell you all the time that off-market deals are where it's at. Once properties hit Trulia, Zillow, Redfin, they are no longer deals. Okay, according to Reonomy, any property that hits those websites has a 30% premium to the same property that is off market. So you want to learn how to find deals off market, and the way you do that is through relationships with your agent, with your lenders, with contractors, wholesalers. Your entire real estate Rolodex needs to know who you are and what kind of deals you're looking for, and you'll find that they start sending them to you. They start text messaging you. They say, I was just working on this house over here and I heard that she wants to sell, right? So these are called pocket deals, and these are the kind of deals that you want to get, the off market deals. I'm probably the first person to see this property. Okay, I'm probably the first person to see this property, and because I'm decisive and because I know how to analyze deals, I'll be able to go in here, make a decision quickly, and get the offer in before this deal ever hits any website whatsoever. If you go look at the address right now, it's off market. Okay, so this is how you win on the buy. Okay, if you win on the buy, then everything else after that is upside. Okay, you want to win on the buy. You're not, of course, you're going to win long term, but we want to win on the buy, meaning that the moment we acquired the property, we already won. And anything after that is just momentum and more wins. Okay, so off-market deals is where it's at. If you're relying on Trulia, Zillow, Redfin, that's lazy searching. Okay, a lot of you are on your real estate agent's email list, and they're sending you and hundreds of others the same exact properties every single day. That is lazy. You will not find a deal that way. You find deals through relationships. Real estate is a contact sport. You have to be in contact with people. You have to be in contact with properties. Okay, and so here I am, first thing in the morning, about to be in contact with a person and a property in order to find a deal. All right, so never stop searching, but again, search through relationships. You want other people to have their eyes out in the market that you're in for you. You don't want to just rely on your two eyes. You want to have several pairs of eyes looking for deals for you. All right. So if you want to learn how to do this, you want to learn how to finance, find, and finalize multifamily real estate deals, go to multifamilymasterplan.com. Again, that's multifamilymasterplan.com. Periodically, I do a webinar there where I will teach you how to do exactly that. All right. So I'll see you there. Again, that's multifamilymasterplan.com. About to go in here and check out this deal. Peace.